We just had a pressure cooker session with JP and his colleagues, and JP helped us to analyze our project with storytelling, with a tech stack, and he gave us a lot of inspirations. It was an awesome session. In general, we feel very encouraged because our story was liked a lot. On the other hand, he also gave us some challenge with the storytelling and encouraged us to tell the story from a different point of view. Our storytelling is very male energy dominated, and he encouraged us to tell the story from a female point of view. So first show the vulnerability of people and tell the problems, and then bring up the solutions. The problem we are facing today is the human and nature interaction is very shallow. It's mostly anthropocentric, so humans get a lot of benefits from the nature, but do not give back. We want to develop decentralized autonomous organizations serving as agents for the forest and to collect the data from the forest and also serve as leveraging points for people to perform interventions and to foster the human-nature interactions. I think after the pressure cooker, we are going to put our tech stack and also our story in a bigger picture, and then to think about how our application can help people to develop more applications and to, for example, can improve the agriculture and maybe also improve ocean protection and also improve energy industry and to rebalance the power among humans.